How are you guys? Okay, how the heck did you feel it, guys? So beautiful, so elegant. How did you feel it? The whole theory behind uh, astronomical telescope and what is the other one? Microscope, easy, peasy, lemon squeezy, or very hard. So there are a few examples here. The eye. මං කිව්වා එදා the eye කියවගෙන එන්න කියලා මෙන්න මේ කතාව. I asked just you to read this entire thing. More than enough, actually. More than enough. But I'm not going to teach this thing right now. I want to teach telescope is easy. The astronomical. Hmm. Right. What shall we do? Questions? See, there are simple examples here. So, firstly, let's try the example question without looking at how they have done. කරලා තියෙන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා බලන්න එපා. Do it yourself alone. Don't ever look at how they have done. Telling you to try yourself. Okay. I'll give you a decent amount of time of 6 minutes for this. Now try. Hello ළමයි. Hello ළමයි. Are you there? Shall we try this? ළමයි කරාද මේ ටික? Okay. මේ ළමයින්ගෙන් සද්ද නැහැ. ඉතින් මටත් කමක් නැහැ. මම ඕම් ඉන්න මොන හරි කියන්නේද? හිතා ගන්න බැරුවද ඉන්නේ? හිතා ගන්න බැරුවද ඉන්නේ? Struggling along. Okay. මම ඩිස්කස් කරන්නම්. අනේ මන්ද ඔයාලා කතා කරන කවුද හරි ඉගෙන ගන්න එනං. So one thing I want to tell you is why are we using two lenses in microscope and telescopes? In the first one, it will create certain object somewhere away from you as magnified. That is M naught objective. Then in the second one, it will magnify that again for the second most time. So that magnification is going to be like M eyepiece. So the total magnification of the telescope is what? Objective multiplied by magnification of eyepiece. This is the basic thing I told you to keep this equation in the last week in a triple star point. මතකයි නේද මේක නිකන් සෑහෙන්න ඕන වෙනවා තියාගන්න කියලා කිව්වා. right? ඒ වගේම මේවල තියෙනවා තව පොඩි කතන්දරයක් අයිරින් කියලා. ඒක මම එකපාරට කිව්වේ නෑ ප්‍රශ්නයකින්ම දෙන්නයි මම බලන්නේ. question එකක් true. ඔක්කොම එක දිගට කියන්න ගියාම හැල්ලක් වගේනේ. There is a thing called I-ring, not nothing in this question, but in future, I-ring. එහෙම එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ මොකක්ද කියලා මම පස්සේ කියන්නම්. So this equation I told you to remember for all the optical instruments, including microscope and telescope both. Now it says like a telescope has an objective of focal length 50 centimeter and eyepiece of 5 centimeters and the least distance vision of 25 centimeters. Telescope is focused for a distinct vision on a scale 2 meter away from the objective. Objective එකේ ඉඳන් මීටර 2ක් ඈත තියෙන දෙයක් දිහා තමයි මේ වෙලාවේ බලන්නේ. So you can't apply general formula for this one because in the general formula we have derived those things for what? To observe what? Infinite objects. අපි infinite ඒවා තමයි හඳටගෙන final infinite තියලා බැලුවේ d වලට ගෙනාවේ. These were the infinite objects like moon, sun බලන්නේ, stars and long distance like mountains and stuff. But here the thing is very close by thing. ඒවත් බලන්න බැරි නෑ. පුළුවන්. So this object, firstly, it will create magnified image on here. So that is going to be how to create that. M objective is equals to V objective over U objective. Right. How to find that out? You need to apply to this equation 1 over V minus 1 over U equals to 1 over F. So here I'm going to get 1 over U subjected minus and minus. Here it is going to be like 1 over F minus 1 over V. Right. You need what is UE? What can I do? I can multiply with F naught V naught by this one. So my equation going to be magnification of objective equals to V naught over F naught minus 1. Here I have this thing. But the problem is I don't have any idea about what? V naught. Isn't that? එහෙම නේද? මෙච්චර දෙයක් කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. දැන් මේක දාලා ගියොත් එන කරදරයි. So wait. මට මේකේ u දීලානේ තියෙන්නේ. I can just apply this in the stuff. Firstly find out u 1 over V naught minus 1 over U naught is given some 200 centimeters 1 over minus 50. When I get 1 over V naught, I get like 50 plus 200. So finally, like 200 is like 1 over V naught is equals to 200. And it is going to be like how many? This like minus 4 plus 1. 1 over V naught will be minus 3 over 300. V naught will be 300, sorry, 200. 200 over 3, it is going to be a minus value. This is what why V naught value. You know the U naught because it is like 200 meters away. So my magnification of objective will be 200 over 3 divided by 200. So the magnification going to be objective is 1 over 3. It is actually diminishing. පොඩි කරලා ගන්න. පොඩි කරත් magnification එකක් තමයි. Now I want to find out magnification of the eyepiece. බලමු. Eyepiece. Magnification of eyepiece is going to be always forming the image at D here and eyepiece. So you want to find out that magnification of by the eyepiece, right? So how to find it out? Eyepiece. So not Fe because it's not forming on infinity, it's going to form on actually on UE. So I told you to remember the UE equation. It won't actually do harm to you if you can remember. Can you remember this UE equation? ඒක හැම තිස්සෙම එන නිසා කටපාඩම් කරලා තියාගත්තත් පාඩු නෑ. This one DFE over D plus FE කියන එක අරගන්න දැන් ඕනේ නෑ. මතක තියාගෙන හිටියට කමක් නෑ. What is it? DFE over D plus FE. ඕක මතක තියාගන්න ළමයි. Substituting on here. B and D cancel off. What is D25 over FE is given here. What is the FE? FE 5 centimeter. 5 plus it is like 5 over 5. Now it is going to be 5 plus 1. MIPC is what? Just 6 multiplied by 6. Can you understand how did I arrive at this answer? There is a little confusion as it seems in the wording of the question. It seems like imply the image is somehow formed 2 meters away from the objective that leads down a rabbit hole and finding U eyepiece. Let me check. There is such a rabbit hole or bear trap. No. Focused on. Focused on. Telescope is focused for distinct vision on a scale 2 meters away. ඒකේ හොඳටම තේරෙනවනේ මීටර් දෙකක් ඈත තියෙන එකක් පැහැදිලිව පේන්න තමයි ફોකස් කරලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා. Actually misleading but completely in the scope. So how to find out the final magnification now? Total magnification is what? M objective multiplied by M eyepiece. Remember this equation. හැමතිස්සෙම අර ඇයි කලින් equations දාන්න බැරි මේකට? Because this one for close by objects. That is for the far away objects, general form conditions. But this is abnormal condition. 1 over 3 times 6. Your final answer is what? How many times will it get magnified? By 2 times. You will get the final image magnified by 2 times. Understand? Separation between the eyepiece and the objective. Okay. Where is the first image formed? So the separation means length. V objective plus UE. So UE ආයතර equation එකට දාලා ඉතින් ගන්න ඕනේ. මල කෙලියයි ජූලි 7යි කිව්වලු. We know this one. 200 over 3. We don't know that one. We have to apply and find 25 times 5 over 25 plus 5. 5, 5, 5, 6. It's going to be like 200 over 3 plus 25 over 6. Now the answer is going to be like 400 over 6 plus 25 over 6. Finally, 425 over 6. Simple. It is very simple, like 42 means 7. It is nearly 70.9 centimeter. Nearly. Understood? No, in the past papers also distract. Okay, can you understand? Can you understand the way how did I solve this thing? Let's go for the solution. See, but in this one, it's done in firstly finding UE and apply separately and found, but I did in first step, one step. So this is it, 70.83. Forget about it. And the defects of vision. By the way, let me know one last thing. What is your plan to do? In the next week, we can start a very brand new lesson of heat or do more questions related to entire optics lesson and finish it. And including some questions from, what is it called, uh, sound as well. Sound will not keep at the කරන්න පුළුවන්. තමයි මොකද කරන්නේ? සවුන්ඩ් වලින් ධම්ම තියෙන ප්‍රශ්න සෙට් එකක් දාලා next week එකේ ඩිස්කස් කරනවද? new lesson heat එකට හරි electricity වලට හරි යනවද? ටක් ගාලා කියන්න. Yeah, very long telescope because the telescopes are really long enough. Only the binoculars are very short. Lamai, I need the what? What do you like? To do more questions or start new lesson? One said questions, one said new lesson. Only 2 voted so far. I need the vote from everybody. Another what said questions, 2 questions, 1 new lesson. There are many students more. Hello. Hi. ටග්ගාලා කියන්න questions ද new lesson ද කියලා. Majority එක තමයි මම ගන්න finally. If majority say new lesson, I'll go for the new lesson. If majority say questions, I'll go for the questions. Now so far 2 questions, 1 new lesson. තමයි. ඔතන vote නොකරපු 3 දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. Then next, sorry. There are 2 students, they didn't vote. ඔයාලගේ vote එක වටනවා. ඔයාලා ඊට පස්සේ කියන්න එපා. Sahas has already voted. He said like questions. Sorry. මම එනම් questions ටිකක් next week එකේ කරන්න. හරි. මට දැන් මෙන්න මේකටත් vote එකක් දෙන්න. According to the order, next lesson should be heat. Next lesson should be heat. But we can also start up with any lesson from this lesson afterwards. Once optics lesson is done, we can start up with any lesson. Or we can also start up with electrostatics. කෝකද ඕනේ? A for heat, B for electrostatic. ඔයාලා කැමති ලෙසන් එක කියන්න එතනින් පටන් ගන්නම්. හීටුත් කරනව නැත්තේ නෑ. One said B, one said A. ටක් ගාලා තමන්ගේ වෝට් එක දාන්න. One said again B. 2B, 1A. Another one said A. Now neutralized. Now the last vote will define everything. There are 2 votes there. ටක් ගාලා majority of votes have voted for A, 3 votes for this and 2 votes for this. Whatever the condition, we can start, and I will just put forward this to the group as well. Imet and few other online participants are also there. No? Group can online means the recording viewers. So the vote count is like 3 or 5 so far, leading with heat. It will be changed with the others' opinion as well. So somehow it's going to be any of these 2, electrostatic or heat, whatever. These are not that long lessons, very easy to understand. Hari. Question එකක් දෙයක් කරමුනේ. Let's do the 14th question in this series. That's in the page number 9. 14th question, very quickly. One part of the question is gone. Try this somehow. අම්මා 3 hours වැටලානේ. මම බැලුවා මේ මොකක්ද කියන්නේ කියලා. Okay guys. Okay, let's find the answers. Now in here, a compound microscope consists of an objective lens and focal length 2 centimeter and eyepiece of 6.25 centimeter separated by a length of 15 centimeter. How far from the objective should be placed in order to obtain the final image at... Okay. So you know one thing. The length for the magnification at D. Definitely you have to add V0 plus that UE. The UE thing, can you remember? you can just apply this equation directly with no fear. See, dFE plus D plus FE. dFE plus D plus FE. dFE plus D plus FE. So this thing is going to be V naught. We don't know. Now that is the challenge. D and FE, everything is there. How to find out V? 1 over V is equals to 1 over U plus 1 over, minus 1 over F. So the thing here, 1 over V naught, I don't know, minus 1 over U, I don't know, that one even, equals to 1 over F. F we know. We know about F. What is F? It is 2 centimeters, negative 2. U should be somewhere, and here U is a positive U. So you can express 1 over V naught in this manner. 1 over minus F plus 1 over U naught. Right. In this way, it is not what I need really. I get like V naught is equals to V naught plus, minus V naught plus F O divided by V naught F naught. This is not I need. I need V naught. V naught will be V naught F naught over V naught times F naught with the negative sign. With the negative sign in it. Now I got V naught value. Now I can happily substitute it over here. V naught is what? U naught. U naught. V naught name. U naught. U naught plus F naught over U naught F naught plus DFE over D plus FE equals to length. So L is 15. U naught you don't know. Plus F naught is like 2. And U naught again times 2 plus D is like 25. FE like 6.25 divided by 25 plus 6.25. 4 and only 1. 15 equals to U plus 2. 2U naught plus 25 over 5 here. That means altogether 5. 15 equals to U plus 2 over 2U plus 5. This comes to here. 10 is equals to U plus 2 over 2U. This also now 20U equals to U plus 2. Now when it comes to here, 19U is equals to 2. U is equals to 2 over 19 centimeters. Did you get this answer? මේ ආන්සර් එක ආවද ඔයාලට? දැන් තේරෙනවද ඔයාලගේ අර දන්න කියන ඉක්වේෂන්ස් ටික විතරක්ම මේ වැඩේ කොට දාගන්න මදි කියලා? පොඩක් ලොකු ප්‍රැක්ටිස් එකක් ඕනේ කියලා. මොකද ඔයාලා නොදන්නකම නෙමෙයි එතන තියෙන්නේ. lack of practice. හරියට බැට් එකයි බෝලේ අල්ලන විදිය දිහා මැච් එක බලාගෙන සෙල්ලම් කරන්න ගියා වගේ. By the way, somehow applied directly into the expression, now somehow did you get the answer? That's the importance I want. V not හොයාගන්න බැරුව ගියා. ඒක නෙමෙයි. හරි ලේසි ළමයි ඔය හරියට අල්ලගත්තොත් එකපාරින් තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. හරියට මං කිව්වේ ලෙදර් මැච් එකකට ගහන්න යවනවා බැට් එකයි බෝලේ ගහන විදිය පොඩ්ඩක් ටීවී එකේ ස්ක්‍රීන් එකක් දාලා පෙන්නලා ඇඳුම් ටික අඳලා යවනවා. එහෙම කරන්න බෑ. හොඳට ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරන්න ඕනේ. මේ තියෙන එක්සෑම් ලෙවල් එකට තියෙන දරුණු ඒවා. ඊට වඩා චුට්ටක් හાર્ඩ්. මම හැමතිස්සෙම ඔයාලව රෙඩි කරන්නේ එක්සෑම් එකට වඩා චුට්ටක් වැඩිපුර. මොකද කියන්නේ තව ක්වෙස්චන් එකක් දෙයක් හදනවද ඔහොමම යනවද? කැමැත්තක් කියන්න. ඔයාලට කැමති දෙයක් කරන්න පුළුවන්. මං කිව්වා අර වැම්පයර් ක්ලාස් එක ගැන ඔයාලා ඉල්ලනකම් මම ආයි කියන්නේ නැහැ කියලා. ඉතින් ඒක මම මතක් කරන්නෙත් නැහැ. ඔයාලට ඕන වුණොත් දවසකට කියන්න. කැමති නම් දැන් යන්න පුළුවන් නැත්නම් ගානක් හදලා යන්න පුළුවන්. අයි එක ගැන චූටි කතන්දරයක් කියලාම යවන්නද? ඒතකොට ඊළඟ දවසේ මට ලේසි වෙයි වැඩේ. අයි එක ගැන පොඩි කතන්දරයක් කියලාම යවන්නද? අයි රින් එක ගැන. අයි රින් කියන්නේ ළමයි this is about eye ring in a optical instrument. You can observe the whole object very clearly when you keep your eye on a point. මම මේක වෙනම නෝට් එකක් දෙන්නම් දැන් මේ කියන්නේ when you keep your eye exactly on a point where the object eyepiece create an image of objective. See, this one acts as if an object now for the FE. So this is going to be you. So it will create some final image of the eyepiece. මෙන්න මේ glass එකේ image එකක් හදනවා කොහේ හරි දැනක. Can you understand? It will create an image of the eyepiece or lens. If you keep your eye exactly on that point, you can see the object thoroughly. හරිනේ මේ මෙතනින් rays ටික ඔක්කොම එන්නේ. If you want to see full amount of rays, you should see this glass. That is the point you have to keep your eye on. ඔක තේරුන්නේ නැද්ද? ඔය කියන්නේ note එකක් දෙන්නම් ඊළඟ දවසේ. Not today. But can you understand this concept? ඔයාට මේ object එක හඳ බලනවා නම් if you want to see the moon clearly, you have to keep your eye somewhere where you can see this entire front glass. හරිනේ? That is about eye ring. In terms of the normal regular eye, I will talk about the defects later. It is somewhere like the distance, normally like 2.5 centimeters. The accommodation of the eye. You have to create some image over here to see on the retina. If it creates somewhere before or after, that means it is a defect. I will talk about defects in the next week. If it creates here, that is not how it should be. If it creates here, that's not how it should be. It should exactly create on the retina, then you can see the object clearly. Normally for the V of eye lens is always this distance. Finally, it may have some kind of focal length. It can focus on nearby objects of like distinct vision of D or any L length or infinity. ඔන්න ඔය ටික විතරයි roughly කියන්න ඕනේ. We can just, I can give you the very basic note within like 10 minutes. The iring thing I can give you a note of like 5 minutes. From the next week, it will only cost like 15 minutes for the notes. Lessons are already done. So we will be able to do more questions. කියන්න. හරි. මොකද කියන්නේ තව ගානක් හදනවද කොහොම යනවද? ටක් ගාලා මැසේජ් එකක් දාන්න කියන්න මොකක් හරි ෆයිනලයිස් කරගෙන ගාන හදනවා නම් හදනවා යනවා නම් යනවා ඕන දෙයක්. මට ඔය දෙකෙන් ඕන එකක් එකයි. Tell me whatever you feel. ළමයි, tell me a question to discuss more or just leave. මට නම් තව question 4-5ක් හරි කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඔයාලා ස්කූල් යන්න නිදිමත අරවා මේවා තියෙනවා නම් යන්න පුළුවන්. ටක් ගාලා කියන්න මොකද්ද වෙන්න ඕනේ කියලා. anything see නෙමෙයි ටක් ගාලා කියන්න ඔයාලා ඕන දේ. question එකක් කරමුද? හා අපි මේක කරමු. හරි ටක් ගාලා හදමු ඔක. give you like 5 minutes. right, okay. Okay guys, Shall we start the discussion? A person with normal near point 25 centimeter using a compound microscope with objective focal length 8 millimeter and eyepiece of focal length 2.5 centimeter can bring object place 9 millimeter from the objective and soft focus. What is the separation between two lenses? Calculate the magnifying power of the microscope. Okay, 9 millimeters away from it. Okay. The thing is, the arrangement will be something like this. So very short wavelength, focal length and long focal length. And the object is here. Finally creates an image here. And FE will be here. This is what. So the finally it will create at D and V naught and finally UE. Separation, very easy. Length is equals to V naught plus DFE over D plus FE. Now you can remember this. V naught, big problem. How? 1 over V naught minus 1 over U naught plus 1 over F. 1 over V naught is equals to 1 over U is given like 8. I can use in millimeters because everything is given in millimeters. Apart from this is 25 millimeters. Taggala එක convert කරගන්න ලේසි එහෙම කරද්දී equals to 1 over minus 8. Oh shit, wait. This is 9 plus 9 millimeters. Okay. Now finally I get like image 1 over minus 8 plus 1 over 9. So the equation is going to be like cross multiplication will be a good option for this one. 9 minus 9, sorry, plus 8 over 8 times 9. So V is going to be 8 times 9 over minus 9 plus 8. So it is going to be like 8 times 9 is, what is it? 8 times 8 is 64, 72. Minus 1, that means V is going to be 72 millimeters, or in terms of centimeters, 7.2 centimeters. Forget about it. Now we know this value, 72 plus D is going to be 225. That means 215 millimeters. And F naught is in terms of Fi is 25. Is that 25? Wait. Yeah, 25 over 250 plus 25. Kai the L is going to be equal to 72 plus 250 over 11. Common one now 7 times like 72, 720 plus 70, 720 plus 70 is like 792. 1042 over 11. Now let's get that answer here. 94.72, nearly. The length is equals to 95 centimeters. Sahas, your answer is correct. Sahas, මේ lesson එක කලින් කරගෙන තියෙනවද? Have you done this lesson before? Sahas boy. So his all the answers are really correct.
Mostly, yeah, Nelson and Parker.
Now it is asking about the magnifying power, Lamai. In the magnifying power, the sense I get like equals to D equals to V naught over U naught times D over FV plus 1. This is the equation. You have to derive and so, but for here, V naught I just found it is like 72 millimeters. Over U naught is like 8. Sorry, it is like 8 or 9. You keep it check place 9, sorry, 9, it is 9. D is like 25, that means, yeah, 250 over FV like 25 plus 1. Eleven, 792 over 9. So will be a very big magnification here. $792 over 9. 88 times. Magnification is 88 times. Very simple. Mostly Nelson and Parker. Very good boy. Very good boy. Oh, it is centimeters man dala තියෙන්නේ. Centimeters වලින් ගද්දි sorry millimeters වලින් answer I got in millimeters. When it is මට මේ පොඩි mistake එකක් වුණා. It is going to be 9.5 centimeters. So here 95 means millimeters. මගදී ජොඩි mistake එකක් වුණේ කලින්. Millimeters, centimeters 9යි. හරි නේද? Unit conversion එකේ යුටි අවුලක් ගියේ. Okay guys. Answers ටික හරි නේද ඒක? So there are many more questions. තව ටෙලස්කෝප් එකකුත් කරන්න හොඳයි කියලා හිතනවා. නමුත් ඉතින් ඇති. අද ඇතිනේ. මොනට වඩා කරන්න හොඳ නැහැ නේ. මොනම දෙයක් ඔළුව ලොක් වෙනවනේ. But I'm pretty sure now more than 80% of the problems are solved than the last week. ගිය සතියේ යන්න ඇත්තේ negative 80 වලින්. Now it is in the positive 80. I'm pretty sure. එවනේ? Yes or no? next week එකේ ඕක කෙලින්ම 100% වලටම ගියමු. ඒකට බලන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. first 3 lessons completely done. පස්සේ ඉතින් යකා වගේ වැඩ කරන්න තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Are you ready? Hello. හරි. මුකුත් කියන්න ඕනේ නැහැ ඔයාලා යන්න. So I know you guys are really very lame guys. So I just leave. Class is over. Bye lamai. Bye guys. God bless you.